Hello, wonderful PRA staff. We have some updates coming to our Google Drive. We have some records retention compliance needs that have to be addressed. So I'm going to show you exactly what I need for you to do, and you have between now and winter break to get this done. So about a month, plenty of time. It will not take you long, I promise. So we're going to start by going into our Google Drive. And we are looking at who owns the documents that you use. And the easiest way to do this is go into your recent folder, because this shows you what you have most recently pulled up, what you've most recently opened in your Google Drive. So I keep mine in grid view like this typically, but for this to work, it needs to be in list view. So I'm going to click over here to change the view. So now I'm looking right here where it says owner. So these are the people that own the documents I use. So all of these documents I've opened most recently are in the shared drive. So they are good to go, they are safe, nothing can happen to them. But if I keep scrolling back, here is a document that I use that is owned by a teacher that no longer works here. So starting after winter break, if you have documents that are owned by teachers that no longer work here, they are going to disappear in January. So what I'm going to do so I don't lose this document is I'm going to make a copy. So I highlight it, I click on my dots up here, make a copy. And it's as easy as that. It pops up right at the top because I've most recently used it. Same document, and now it's owned by me. So one thing you do need to know is that the sharing permissions are going to be different. So if this document that you used was shared with a certain number of people, your new copy is not shared with anyone. So you'll have to go through and reshare that document with them if you want them to have the same access. But now you are the owner, and so that document's not going to go anywhere. So I'm skimming back, I'm looking at my documents. Here's another one that's owned by a teacher that no longer works here. So I'm going to make a copy. You can rename them if you want, because now they just say copy of and then the title. Maybe you could put the date in the title. That helps me keep track of things. So I'm going to dig pretty far back into my recents. I'm looking at who owns my documents. If it's a document of someone that still works here, but you really don't want to lose it, it's something valuable, maybe you want to make a copy of that anyways. It's always good to have backups.